现到 YIZUMI 的数字化智能管理做得非常优秀，已经是整个行业的带领者。
For me, it was necessary to update the logo also because it's the new vision of YIZUMI represented not also by the logo but the way of thinking, the mission and the target for the next 20 years. So in my opinion, it's a good solution to improve now and establish a new direction of YIZUMI, oriented to the customer and not only in the production of a single and standard machine.
I think YIZUMI is absolutely on the right path, and I never seen in my life such big jump in terms of technology and linking different technology in only one solution. In having the customer into the center of attention of YIZUMI, I think is the right way, and YIZUMI is doing this perfectly.